What are piano scales? Piano scales are a series of notes ordered by pitch, played in ascending and descending sequences. They form the foundation of musical pieces and help in developing finger strength and dexterity. Practicing scales improves technical skills and musical understanding. Common types of piano scales. Major scales consist of 7 musical notes with a specific pattern of whole and half steps. Minor scales, minor natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor. Each has a unique pattern of whole and half steps. Pentatonic scales, 5-note scales often used in folk music and blues. What are half steps and whole steps in piano? In piano music, half steps and whole steps refer to the distances between 2 adjacent keys on the keyboard. Understanding these intervals is crucial for grasping the construction of scales, chords, and melodies. Half steps or semitones. A half step is the smallest interval between 2 notes in Western music. On the piano, a half step is the distance from one key to the very next key, whether black or white. Example: the distance between C and C sharp is a half step. The distance between E and F is a half step, and the distance between B and C is a half step. Whole steps or whole tones. A whole step is made up of 2 half steps. On the piano, a whole step skips one key, either black or white, and moves to the next key. Example: the distance between C and D is a whole step. The distance between E and F sharp is a whole note, and the distance between A and B is whole step. It may be noticed that whole step is made up of 2 half steps. Importance of half steps and whole steps. Melody and harmony. Recognizing these intervals aids in understanding and creating melodies and harmonies. Chord construction. Chords are built by stacking notes at specific intervals, often involving combinations of whole and half steps. Scale construction. Understanding these intervals helps in constructing various scales. To get comfortable with half steps and whole steps, practice scales. Play major and minor scales, focusing on the pattern of intervals. Identify intervals. Randomly pick notes and identify half steps and whole steps above and below them. Ear training. Listen to and recognize the sound of half and whole steps, which will enhance your musical ear and ability to play by ear. What is a major scale? A major scale is a diatonic scale characterized by a specific sequence of whole and half steps. It consists of 7 distinct notes plus the octave, making it an 8-note scale in total. The pattern of intervals between the notes is as follows: whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, and half step. What is a minor scale? A minor scale is a type of diatonic scale that is characterized by a specific sequence of whole and half steps, which gives it a different sound compared to a major scale. The minor scale follows this pattern of intervals: whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, and whole step. By mastering the concept of half steps and whole steps, you'll have a solid foundation for understanding more advanced musical concepts and improving your piano playing skills. You may practice the major and minor scale sequence for better understanding of music tones. We hope you enjoyed the content and are thrilled to continue this musical journey with us. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more engaging tutorials.